Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here the winter FabFitFun box. I'm just going to get right on into this box here. Oh my god, I can't remember what is actually in here. Alright, let's see. Of course, all that packaging crap that I don't care about. We have... what is this? Oh, it's a hat. Trying to open it up nice and neat so I can put it back in. Cute little fuzzy hat. It's by Lemon. It's cozy and warm. It's just like this nude little cream color here. It's really tan. I feel head. I don't know whose head that's for, but it's kind of cute. Alright, we got that there in the box. Next, another comfy cozy thing here. We have some slippers, and it says by Chinese Laundry, Los Angeles, and it's these oatmeal looking color slippers. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh, and that's them right there. It's got like that fake wool, whatever, or Sherpa, whatever heck you want to call it. And that's just what they look like. Just plain, simple, basic. Slip on your feet after a shower. So that way your feet don't get dirty all over again. What else do we have here? I know there were a couple things that I was able to add on, and I did. And I think I had them throw them into this box here. So we're going to jump in, and I'm going to talk about them. And it's by Sweet Chef. And it is the Ginger C Power Shot Polishing Mask. That's the packaging there. And we have the Ginger plus Vitamin C Bright Spot Tonic Dark Spot Brightening Toner. And that's that right there. I'm going to open these up so we can take a look at what they look like. And of course, it's just a yellow tube. And hopefully it's sealed. And it is. It has the safety seal. So that means I will not be opening that up, and I'm going to leave that on the floor, and I'll get that when I'm done filming. Since it's sealed, nothing's going to get in it. And then we have here the little toner, and it's, I can't tell. Okay, I think it's glass. And that's the packaging there, and it should be sealed too. And it has the little safety seal. I'm just kind of hoping if you could smell something, but you can't. So we'll see if that does any kind of wonders to my skin. I have some spots that I want to lighten up. And I think I was able to pick, I think I picked some other things too. I picked a lot of things, I believe. Yeah, I think I picked these two things too. And this here is just the Invisibobble, and it's silk scrunchies. Open this up and take a look, and it's got, hold on, this is also an Invisibobble. It's got this on the inside of these, and it's not silk, it's like a velvet material. Oh, that's actually cool. I didn't know what it was going to actually be. I just thought it was going to be just a regular scrunchie, but no, it actually has these kind of things inside of it. It's actually really neat. And I love Invisibobble. Alright. And I got a glass mini nail file. I do love these things. They work great. And I have a little travel one. So hopefully it doesn't break. But I'll have to stick it in something that will keep it protected. But I know I won't be sticking that in my purse. But I always need a file when I'm traveling places. And then I don't have anything. And then I end up picking my nail. And then my nails end up breaking. And then I ruined my good work. So, nice to have glass file nail files. They are amazing. Amazing. Next, we have here, it is L'Occitane. It's a hand cream. So, packaging's all busted up and all, but that's what it is right there. It's probably going to be a seal. And it looks like this, like a little aluminum thing. It's going to be sealed. Oh, no, it's not sealed. It smells like the pink Johnson & Johnson baby lotion, which I was never a fan of. So that's kind of what that smells like. We'll see how it works. Next we have here, it is a reusable iPads by Zoe Ayla is the brand. I don't know who that is. Never heard of them. I'm going to pop this open. See what these look like. Comes in a little tin. Oh. Yeah, I don't use these things. So, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. It's just like, these kind of, like, I don't see the need for this. Like, what are you doing for me? It's silicone-y. It doesn't feel wet or anything. Like, what am I to do with that? I'll probably just chuck it. Who knows? I'll look into it first before I chuck it. Next, we have the Ole Hendrickson Transform, targets fine lines and wrinkles. It is the Glow OH. It's basically like H2O. Yeah, dark spot toner. Another dark spot toner. I can never get into packages. And it's plastic, purple. Should be sealed. Should be sealed. And it is sealed. But hold on. Nah, can't smell nothing. Thought for sure you could, but nope. It was actually just the packaging. That's what I was smelling. Last thing in here is, I have no idea. Why is he so heavy? Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. So what are you? It's a blanket, a small blanket. It's a navy blue. This sucker's really heavy. I'm going to open this up and see why it's so heavy. Like, it's really heavy. I don't know if it's the packaging, but, or what. Ow. Oh my God. Me and packaging are not friends today. Wow, this thing is extremely heavy. Why are you so daggone heavy? Now I'm trying to take off all these stupid little things. Like those things that hold this together. Alright, unroll. Oh. Okay, is this a weighted blanket? It doesn't say on here, but it sure as hell feels like it's a weighted blanket. I mean, it's a little heavy here. I mean, I don't know. It doesn't say weighted blanket or anything like that, but I mean, just know this has some weight to it. And it's a nice size. It's a nice size. It's pretty. And I don't have anything navy blue of a blanket. So this is really nice. And that is all I have in the box for the winter box. This damn hood. But that is all I have in my winter box for FabFitFun. Let me know what you guys got in your FabFitFun box. And if we have everything the same, if you guys have something different, what did you guys pick as to, like, if you got any extras? Let me know what you got. Okay? So, thumbs this up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.